Oceans around the world are increasingly threatened by a lot of human development along coast, by fishing, both industrial and local community fishing, as well as by climate change. So actually in the last year, in 2018, the oceans experienced the hottest year they ever have. And that really poses a problem for sensitive habitats like corals. One of the best tools that we have are marine protected areas, which are also sometimes called marine parks. And marine parks basically set aside parts of the ocean so that if we're fishing outside of those areas, those serve as nursery grounds or breeding grounds so that the fish and invertebrates within them can repopulate the places that we're using. So it really creates a place that's providing benefits for protecting biodiversity, but also helping people by having like a bank account where we're able to save things in one place that can help grow interest in other places. So over the last 10 years, we've come together as a group of scientists and marine park managers to form a network that brings together the best practices in marine park management and helps managers learn how to use science to make more informed and sometimes better decisions on how we can manage those protected areas.
The best way of managing this ecosystem through marine park is to develop the targeted objectives and then using the scientific data and then engaging community in management.
It's about this community. They have to empower them.
Some examples of those things would be recovery of seagrass that was really depleted, as well as removal of hundreds of tons of plastic trash from beaches and coastlines, and removal of invasive species that were blocking sea turtle nesting sites.
Right now we've got a grant from the International Coral Reef Initiative and the United Nations Environmental Program for us to have a training in Seychelles, beautiful little Seychelles.
We're bringing in 15 science and management experts from around the world, agency leaders, and managers and community members from different marine protected areas in East Africa and the Western Indian Ocean.
The training will help us build capacity to do scientific work, scientific monitoring that can then be used for the basis of managing the marine park.
For those who are willing to follow the instruction, we are changing the community.
Our hope in doing this is that we can create a model that benefits not just East Africa and this ocean basin, but also the world.